Cyclone Vaianu. I'm walking outside in it right now. Probably not the best idea. It's kind of raining, a bit windy. It's not too intense as I thought it would be. The Cyclone Vaianu's on right now. Let's just walk around and show you it a bit. It's quite windy. We've held our tramps down. I've held my tramp down with this bag over there and this blue thing and then that thing. And then you might see some trees blowing in the distance, like, I'll show you these real trees over here. It's raining and windy. Please like and subscribe because we're going through the cyclone right now. Cyclone Vaianu managed to hit us, but then, yeah, the cyclone Malia is staying away from us, I think that's what it's called. But I'll let you listen to the wind for a bit.